Everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss a Python program to find whether the year is leap year or not. Let us see how easy to find a leap year in a Python program. I want to enter a range of years and the program should display how many years, that means which year, which range of years are leap years it should display. So for this, the first thing I need to do is a library called import calendar, and then after I need to give range of years, that means from 2000 to 2020 how many leap years, like that. So I need to assign some variables. So I am assigning year 1 is equals to, I am using input function to assign the range, and year end assigning to the variable 2. So input is a function which allows to accept input and year end. So suppose if I want to know the how many which leap year or what are the leap years in between 2000 to 2020, so I enter 2020 and year 1 gets the 2020, year 1 gets the 2000 and year 2 gets the 2020. Okay, and now I'm using assigning some list variable, okay, empty. So why I am taking some empty list means in this list I am storing all the leap years. Okay, and then after I am using some for loop in X in range year 2. Okay, so this for loop will run from year, suppose year 1 we take 2000 and year 2 we take 2020. So this for loop will run 2020 2000 2001 2003 like that, so on until it the iterations reach to 2020. Okay, now we need to check whether this year is leap year or not. So we already imported the library calendar. Now use if condition, if calendar dot is leap. So this is the beauty of Python. So many built-in libraries are there, we just need to import and use those functions. No need to write lines on lines of code. So if that X value is a leap year, I need to display. So I am using print function, print leap year, okay, comma int of X. After every for or if function, we need to take care to mention the double quotations, and then after list dot append. So before that I take some list, that's an empty list, and if the variable matches with the leap year, I am appending that value into the list of X. So all the leap years values will assign into the list underscore X. So it stores all the leap year values. So append is a function is used to add the variables in the list or dictionary, whatever. Okay, so for this all the conditions are matched, it displays and then after I want to display the print the how many variables, how many leap years are there totally, which leap years are there I want to display. So for that one, what I am doing, print list underscore x. See friends, it's a leap year program, and that to find the range between 2 years within the code is less than 10 lines. We write this program, and if you see in some other programs, the code is more than 10 lines or 15 lines also. But the beauty of the Python is with very less number of lines we are able to execute the program. Okay, now let's select this one. So leap year underscore Python. So then this is an environment Python charm I am using. Okay, now click on the leap year underscore py and right click and click on run leap year. Okay, so now see here, it's asking enter the start of the year. I am giving some 2000 year. Okay, so it displaying some error at okay, so here so Python is a case sensitive. There I mentioned a capital I need to mention small I. Okay, now see it turns white to blue color. Okay, now rerun the program. It's asking the year. I am entering the value 2000 and 2002 some 2021. See friends, so 2000 is a leap year, 2004 is a leap year, 2008 is a leap year, 2016, 2020. So 2020, no one will forget this 2020 leap year, especially me. Lot of things are happened. So this is how friends, so all the leap years we stored in the list x variable. Okay, so hope everyone had understand how easy the leap year execution in a Python. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit like button.